how did it go from getting this interest in Russian and now you have a channel? Why don't you just talk a little bit about where it all started?
All right, so it all started, I think, like 5, 6 years ago. I never expected myself to be speaking Russian, and in high school, elementary school, I wasn't too good in languages or not that interested. But in the end of 2014, I had a colleague. I was doing a student job, and this colleague, he was from Ukraine. So he moved to the Netherlands when he was about, I think, 4 or 5 years old. He said, "Hey, would you? I'm from Ukraine. Would you want to learn some Russian words, for fun?" I said, "Yeah, sure. Why not?" We were sitting in a bar having some beers, so yeah, sure. And then he said, first words that he told me were "no ты блин козел," which not the nicest words. Like you wouldn't say that to everyone in Russia, but I mean young guys like that. So those words literally translate as like, "Oh, you're a damn goat." So my interest in the language, it was peaked a little bit, but I didn't have a reason to learn Russian. So in the next year, I guess I spent maybe 10, 20 hours just listening to some audio courses, just, if I was traveling by train somewhere, because to not waste the time kind of, and just because I found it interesting. Then end of 2015, I moved to Madrid to study there for a year. Uh, and then, first I wanted to learn some Spanish to go there. Well, while studying there, there was a very cute Russian girl in my class. And now we're already together for 5 years, something like that.
Wow.
So, yeah, so first, since I knew a couple of sentences in Russian, I just said some of them to her while we started dating in the beginning. And then, yeah, things just snowballed from there. I started practicing more with her, then started, like, in the beginning of 2016, I more seriously started learning it. Still practicing with her. And then in 2016 in June, like a little before that, she asked me if I wanted to go to Moscow to see her parents. And I said, yeah, sure, why not? So then I went to Moscow. I had a great time. It was really cool. Went to Moscow, to St. Petersburg as well, and down to the Black Sea. So that was a very good experience. And then we came back. We decided that she was going to move to Holland. And yeah, now a couple years later, we're still together, living together here in Holland. Yeah, and all the time, I just slowly continued learning and practicing with her as well, watching some Russian movies instead of watching regular English movies. And somewhere around with the channel, I started with last year, I think March 2019, just for fun, just to upload a video of me speaking Russian. And that got a lot of positive reactions, so I just made another video the next week, and then another video. I haven't stopped yet making videos, and people like watching them,
Wow.
so that was very funny. I never expected myself to make YouTube videos, but it just kind of happened.
I know. And things have gone very well for you because your channel is quite big. You have like 70,000 subscribers. That's awesome.
Yeah. Recently, it got to 70,000, which is, I don't know. It's very unbelievable. It's very unreal to think about that. That just practicing a language and people find it so interesting, which is very cool experience.